Hello students, today we will study about English grammar topic which is diary entry. Diary entry is a personal form of composition. It is a record of a person's daily activities, his opinions, memories or anything which he wants to write. Many people, famous personalities, statesmen, writers, etc., pen their experiences in a diary. Diary becomes a true friend to them and they can write in it what they can't discuss with anyone. So whenever anyone want to share their feelings, they use diary to explain whatever they feel. So let's start with the format of writing diary entry. In the beginning, we will write at the top from the left side day, date and time of the entry, and then heading should be there. After that, body of the diary entry, and at the end signature should be there. How will we start this format? At the top from the left side of the page we will start writing day. After writing day, comma should be there, and then name of the month, date, comma, year. And at the right side we can write time of the diary entry, or we can write in the next line also. It's your choice to write the time of the diary entry. Again then leave a line, and then heading should be there. In heading we can write hello, hi or dear diary, and in this way we can give a heading to the diary, and after writing heading we have to leave a line, and then we will write body of the diary or content of the diary we have to write. Again, after completing the content, again leave a line, and then signature. Here some points that you have to keep in mind when you are going to write diary entry. First is use an appropriate layout and format. At the top of the page, write the date, time of your diary entry so that later on you can keep a track of what happened and when. Open the diary entry with greeting or address like dear diary, hi, and with your name also you can start writing the diary entry. And at the end you can write signature, and you can write your name also. And you can feel free to use stock phrases like hello, hi, bye, see you later, and that's all for today. Got to go, good night, etc. you can use in writing your diary. The second point which you have to keep in mind, that is be true to yourself. Whenever you are going to write the diary entry, you have to write the diary with honesty. You no need to use the lies in writing diary. Write a true account of what you feel, what has been happened with you, what you think of someone, what you think about someone, or what your hopes or fears are. Whatever you desire, you can write in your diary with honesty. The third point that you need to keep in mind, that is follow your own style. Follow a style that you prefer for your writing diary for yourself. Just make sure that it is readable and it should be interesting. Choose the language you like, but avoid any bad language or filthy expressions which will make it dull. Show your creative side too by adding doodles, sketches, pictures, clippings from newspapers and magazines. Give your diary a beautiful name, title and cover. Write on everything, whatever the topic about your diary entry. You are going to write about your personal experiences, your religion, about your politics experiences, or society, school, people who around you, your aim in life, etc. you can write in your diaries. You may also like to include some interesting facts, important information, advice given by someone tips, ideas, crafts, or recipes also you can mention in your diaries. And the next point that you have to remember, that is, keep it short and sweet. You should not expand the language of your diary. Don't get carried away and write too much or too long your diary. Keep your entries short and set a time limit in which you have to finish an entry. And the last point that you have to remember while writing diary entry, that is, write in the first person. You have to write the diary entry in first person with a voice or with a point of view. Use pronouns such as I, we, us, we are, I am, etc. to add a personal touch to your diaries.